I'm going to walk you through creating your first site. Let's click new site. It will give you the options for a full portfolio or a welcome page. So if I click a welcome page, it's a simple representation of your portfolio. Let's create a full portfolio. Ang ganda ng mga themes nila dito. You can also browse for additional themes. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat eh. Si Martha. Click natin si Martha. You have the option to see your theme on specific levels. But I want to see this on the tablet. Just click on this. This would render it into the tablet version. Next one is the phone. Wow. You can definitely check this out. Kung hindi nyo nagustuhan ito, you can just click, find another theme. Let's say Mercedes. Yan. To shorten all of this, I'm just going to go to Martha. Let's click on use this theme. This will also connect your account into the default. Kung ano yung mga meron kayo sa inyong account.